Welcome friends to this video. I will show you how to create ticket on G2A platform to claim refund. Friends, go to the website dashboard G2A support, contact support. From the support, choose the topics. For example, your topics here and write your subject. For example, I want to get a fund, and from here write your message and all the message. If you have any documents or attachment, you can add your attachment here easily without any problems. Click accept, and by checking this information and just click send this option. This is how you can do, guys, these easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. This is I want to get refund. This is subject, and from here this is your message. You can write your message here.